Hello and welcome. Here are some great ideas for backyard garden design. Create different garden zone. You can divide your backyard garden into different zones such as a flower garden, vegetable garden, herb garden, and a relaxation area. This will make your garden more organized and visually appealing. Use raised garden beds. Raised garden beds are perfect for growing vegetables and flowers, and they also make your garden look more organized. You can use wood or stone to create raised garden beds of different shapes and sizes. Add a water feature. A water feature, such as a pond or a fountain, can add a climbing and tranquil element to your backyard garden. You can also add fish or water plants to your water feature for added interest. Use vertical gardening. If you have a limited space in your backyard, consider using vertical gardening to grow your plants. You can use trellises, well planters, and hanging baskets to grow plants vertically. Create a sitting area. A sitting area in your backyard garden can provide a place to relax and enjoy the beauty of your garden. You can use outdoor furniture such as a bench or a patio set to create a comfortable seating area. Add lighting. Lighting can add ambience and functionality to your backyard garden. You can use solar powered lights or low voltage lighting to illuminate your garden at night. Incorporate art. Art can add a unique and personal touch to your backyard garden. You can use sculpture, wall art, or other forms of art to enhance the beauty of your garden. Use container gardening. Container gardening is a great way to add color and interest to your backyard garden. You can use different types of containers such as pots, buckets, and barrels to grow plants of different sizes and shapes. Consider a theme. A theme can tie your backyard garden together and make it more choice. You can use a color theme, a style theme, or a theme based on your interests to create a unique and personalized garden. Add a play area. If you have children, consider adding a play area to your backyard garden. You can use swings, a playhouse, or other play equipment to create a fun and safe space for your children to play. Create a pollinator garden. Planting flowers that attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators is not only beautiful but also beneficial for the environment. Choose flowers that bloom at different times to provide food for pollinators throughout the growing season. Add a vegetable trellis. A trellis can be used to support climbing vegetables such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and beans, saving space and adding interest to your garden. Use a variety of texture. Combining plants with different leaves textures can add depth and interest to your garden. For example, you could combine spiky succulents with soft, feathery ferns. Build a pergola. A pergola can provide shade and structure to your garden. You can grow climbing plants over the top to create a natural canopy. Incorporate a fire pit. A fire pit can be used for outdoor entertaining or simply to provide a cozy gathering spot for family and friends. You can surround it with seating and add lighting for ambience. Create a herb spiral. A herb spiral is a circular garden bed that is built up in a spiral shape. It provides different planting zones for herbs with different sun and water requirements and can be an attractive focal point in your garden.